one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. You've looked at one part of your life and thought nothing beautiful could come from this. Too much has already been lost, too much already destroyed. It's felt empty and painful. And even if you still have faith, there's a quiet ache within you that says, can the Lord really do anything good from this? Can he really bring anything good from this circumstance? But the Lord says, I'm answering the ache and the cry of your heart. I'm bringing beauty in ways that will stand out. Not false beauty, but a deep beauty that is born from within, a beauty that is birthed from ashes. For I am the one who brings beauty from ashes. I am the one who brings transformation and change. For that which is of true value and worth is formed and fashioned by my hand. I am at work in your life, bringing restoration, bringing my resurrection power. The old will give way to the new. For I am the Lord who is with you, the Lord who is faithful and true. Don't be afraid, for I'm bringing beauty for ashes. I'm bringing transformation and change. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.